You pusing na. You pusing na with daddy. Oh, you pusing na. Like this. Sige na. Oh, daddy. Ano ba?
You going to school na,
Going to
Tata?
school. Sige na.
Yeah.
Oh, look at daddy. Look at daddy there, oh. So look at daddy because you're going.
You going to school na, Tata?
Sige na, you're going to school.
Stand na.
Stand up. Because you're going to school, okay? Ready? 1,
2,
2,
3. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Ready, sing. No, stand up.
Stand up.
Sige na, stand up. Watermelon. Oh, sige.
Mommy.
Oh, sige.
Oh, sige na.
Ready,
Stand.
sing.
Watermelon. Papaya. Fruit salad.
Very good, Tata.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name? Sige na.
My name is J.M. Abiso Jomante.
Come on.
How old are you?
2 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Tibet, the town, the old city.
Who is your mommy's name?
Mrs.
Is
Andon.
no. Mommy's name is Rose.
Rose Abiso.
My daddy's name? Sina? Daddy's name is Edwin.
Abiso.
My mama's name
Daddy.
is Wing Wing. Who is your mama's name? Your papa's name is
Abnoy.
Kumaget. Your papa's name is?
Abnoy.
Oh. Your mama's name is?
Abnoy.
No.
Wing Wing. Laptop.
Laptop.
Oh, well. Your mama's name is?
Laptop.
Laptop.
Laptop. And then something else said to Mama.
Papa, don't get okay. May drop.
Mama.